Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mama Jean, and for today's video is we're going to cook lasagna. And our first step is we're going to cook our white sauce. Before we do that, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you will be updated when I uploaded new videos. Melt the butter. So while it's melting, we will add some onion. The onion makes the white sauce smells nice. Stir it until the butter is melted. Now the butter is already melted. We're now going to add flour. 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix well in a slow fire. Already mixed well. Now we're going to add our milk. I'm going to add 1 cup of fresh milk. Now we're going to stir it until it becomes thick. Let's wait our white sauce to become thick. Our white sauce is almost thick. We will add some pepper, black pepper, white pepper, we also add some dried oregano, salt. So this is our white sauce. Now we'll proceed to cook our tomato sauce. Cook our sauce, we're going to heat our pan or wok. Then we will add some oil. Next, we're going to fry our garlic. Fry it until golden brown. Now it's golden brown, we're going to add our onion. Now we're going to add our minced meat. We also add some pepper, black and white pepper. And then cover a while to cook our meat. Cook it until golden brown. We open it. Now we're going to add our tomato and carrots. Add our light soya sauce, about 1 teaspoon of light soya sauce, and salt to taste. We also add some sugar. If you don't want sweet, just don't add sugar. Then we cover it again to cook our tomato and carrots. We also add our mushroom. Then cook it for about 5 minutes. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open natin. We're going to open it. And then we're going to add our tomato sauce. Then we will add 1 slice of cheddar cheese. You can also add some cheddar cheese in your white sauce if you want. It's more cheesy. Then we cover it a while. After 1 minute, we open it. And mix all together so the cheese can mix to our meat. So our tomato sauce is already cooked. Now we're going to prepare our pan for lasagna. Now we're going to put our lasagna in our baking pan. First we will put our tomato sauce below. Then mix. Let's make it will cover our bottom. So the pasta can stick below. We're going to put our lasagna pasta. If you have longer baking pan, you can use it. I will put 2. And then next we will put again our tomato gravy. This is a no-bake lasagna, so make sure your hands is clean when you make it. I already cooked the pasta. I boiled it in 10 minutes. And then we're going to add our white sauce on the top. Like the tomato sauce, we also spread it. Next, we're going to put again another pasta. Same. We will do the same. Put pasta, then put tomato sauce, then put the white gravy. after we put everything in place, we will now add I want some spring onion on my lasagna. And then next we were going to add some mozzarella cheese mixed with cheddar cheese, grated mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. We put on the top. So this our no-bake lasagna is already cooked. This one can serve. You can serve now, but for me, I want to bake it for around 10 minutes so that this cheese can melt and smell nice and taste nice when the cheese is melted. So I want to bake it in the oven for 10 minutes. So let's proceed for the next step. Now it's already heated. We're going to put our lasagna inside. Bake it for around 10 minutes. For 10 minutes, our baked lasagna is already cooked. Look inside. You can open it. There you are. The cheese is already brown. You just wait for the lasagna to cool, then you will slice it. Ready to serve. So this is our lasagna now, baked in 10 minutes. You can see the difference between the two, the no-bake lasagna and baked for 10 minutes lasagna. I hope you like our recipe for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below if you like our recipe for today. And if you have recipe suggestions, just leave your comments below and I will review. This is Mama Jing. See you in my next video. Bye!